Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disallow direct messages on your server, on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find allow direct messages. Click like this and this will be turned off, and that's it. That's how to disallow direct messages on your account on Discord. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.